Okay guys, this is actually the last module. I hope you are getting value from each of the lessons we are going through, and in this last module I'm gonna be sharing with you how to make your first $100 online as a copywriter. Meanwhile, this video is divided into two. Number one, I'm going to share with you 5 ways to get a client, your first client, and the second video I'm going to show with you, I'm going to be doing a screen recording on how to get your first client from Instagram and also from Facebook using a platform called Fiverr. A lot of people know about Fiverr, but a lot don't know about Fiverr. So this video will be divided into two, but in this first one I'm going to be sharing with you about 4 or 5 ways to start to get your first client from the online space. So let's go into that. Okay, as I said, I want to share with you 5 ways that you can use to get your first client. So number 1 way is hunt, 2 is gather, 3 is play, 4 is slay, and number 5 is self-explanatory. So number 1, what do you mean by hunt? This is the act of posting on your social media handles about what you are currently doing, about what you are promoting, about your services. Like you can start from what is copywriting, basic things about copywriting, this and this and this and this, that is number 1. How you can start, how you can get your first client. Start from hunting. Post about what you are currently doing. You can reach out to some people about what you have worked, people that you have worked with actually, and start promoting and start telling them about what you are currently doing. So number 2 is gather. This is gather all your contacts. The people that you have worked with before, gather them, talk to them, not physically, not gathering everybody at the same place, but you can start messaging them, talking to them, like telling them what you are currently doing, the services that you are currently promoting now that you took some copywriting course, and to God be the glory that you have got a lot of things from the copywriting course and you are going into copywriting now as a service. Then people can start hiring you. So number 2 is gathering. Number 1 was hunt, number 2 gather, and number 3 is play. Be active everywhere. Be on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is actually a platform where you can get more companies to hire you for some services. You know, copywriting cannot be automated. The AI artificial this thing cannot do copywriting. They cannot market their product. They can only run ads and all those stuff, but they need somebody like you and I to do copywriting for them. So that's that for that one. So number 4 is slay. Be your boss. How can you be your boss? Be your boss by telling people what you know. Don't belittle yourself. Be your boss by telling people what you know about your services. Like what I said before, you can start posting, and when you start posting about what you know, that means you are gaining credibility. Like you are positioning yourself in the online space as an authority. That's what we mean by be your boss. So number 5 is look for and find someone within your network. Look for some copywriters and collaborate with them. Ask them questions, ask them out for dinner, ask them out for coffee. Let them show what they are currently doing with you. As for myself, you guys can reach out to me anytime. There's link all over this funnel, so you can click on any of the link. I prefer social media link, social media contact. Just send me a social media message, then I will reply to you within the next 24 hours on answer your question. Okay, so that's that. And create a list of all the business owners that you have actually engaged with, interact with in the past, and try to pitch them about what you are doing, what you are currently doing. Meanwhile, if you are a business owner and you have been looking to grow your online business, you have been looking to start an online business, if you haven't already and you are on this course, my name is Samuel Lupo. I'm a business and marketing specialist and also strategist. So if you are looking for a strategist and you want to use to get more business to your door, get more calls, promote your business, you can also reach out to me. Send me a message or at realsamueluko.com, or my Instagram page, Facebook page is Samuel Uko. My Instagram is Samuel Aquacross, then Uko, then 12. There's the link under this video. So send me a message, and we can talk together, and we can see how we can help each other to get to your business goal. And the next video is gonna be a screen recording video on my phone and also on the laptop. I'm gonna show you how to make your first money, how to get your first client on how to get your first client on Instagram, Facebook, and also on the platform we call Fiverr. I hope this video was helpful. Please reach out to me on social media if you are interested to do any business with me, or if you have any question to ask, because the next one is going to be screen recording video. Okay, so let's dive into that one.